In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the crypto.com exchange for beginners. This is your complete beginner-friendly guide where you'll learn step by step how to sign up, verify your account, deposit funds, trade crypto, and navigate all the essential features on the crypto.com exchange platform. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel fully confident using the exchange, placing orders, and understanding how everything works. Let's begin with creating your account. First, download the crypto.com app. Then go to the crypto.com exchange sign-up page. Enter your email address, agree to the terms, and you'll receive a verification code. Enter that code, then create a secure password for your account. Once that's done, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, before you can deposit or trade. The exchange will ask for basic information like your full name, date of birth, and home address. After that, you'll upload a government-issued ID such as your passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and then take a quick selfie for facial verification. The system usually approves this within a few minutes, and once you're verified, your account becomes fully activated with access to all features. Now let's explore the app's home screen. You'll notice several key sections: buy, leverage, earn, and NFTs. Each of these areas has a unique purpose and can be used depending on your goals. The Buy tab is the one beginners will likely use first. This is where you can purchase cryptocurrency directly within the app. At the top, you'll find popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Below that, you'll see lists of top gainers, top losers, and even new listings. This makes it easy to spot trending coins, but remember, just because a coin is gaining doesn't mean it's safe to buy. Many altcoins are highly volatile and can drop in value just as quickly as they rise, so always do your own research before investing. Another handy feature is crypto.com Pay. This tool allows you to create one-time virtual cards that can be used at major online retailers such as Amazon and Walmart. When you pay through crypto.com Pay, you often receive cashback rewards in the form of CRO tokens, which is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. You can also use this feature to purchase gift cards for popular services and stores, giving you even more opportunities to earn rewards. This is especially useful for people who want to get everyday value from their crypto holdings instead of just holding them passively. Next, let's talk about missions. Missions are small in-app tasks, like exploring a feature, completing your first trade, or learning about a new product. By completing these missions, you'll earn diamonds, which can be redeemed for mystery boxes containing various crypto tokens. For new users, this can be especially rewarding. If you complete missions during your first 90 days, you may be able to unlock hundreds of dollars worth of tokens. Alongside this, there's also the University tab, which offers beginner-friendly lessons about crypto basics, blockchain technology, and different types of digital assets. It's a great way to build your knowledge while you start using the app. Now let's move over to the Leverage tab. This section is intended for more advanced traders. Leverage allows you to borrow funds to take larger positions in the market, amplifying both potential profits and potential losses. While this feature can be powerful for experienced traders, it's generally not recommended for beginners because of the high risk. A small price swing in the wrong direction can wipe out your position quickly, so use caution if you decide to explore this area later on. A feature that many beginners will find safer and more appealing is the Earn tab. This section allows you to stake your cryptocurrency to earn interest over time. For example, staking CRO, the platform's native token, can sometimes yield reward rates of around 10% annually. You can also stake popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins to earn passive income. However, it's important to understand the trade-offs. Once you stake your funds, they're locked for the period you choose, which could be several months or even up to a year. Prices of the underlying assets can also fluctuate, which means your rewards may not fully offset potential market losses. Still, for many users, staking is an attractive way to make their crypto work for them instead of just letting it sit idle. The NFT tab is another area worth exploring. This is where you can browse digital collectibles, track their market prices, and even purchase NFTs directly. Whether you're interested in collecting, trading, or just keeping an eye on the market, the NFT tab provides a window into this growing sector of the crypto world. Now let's move to the bottom menu of the app. In the Accounts tab, you'll find a complete overview of your holdings. This includes your crypto wallet, your fiat wallet, and any funds that are staked. From here, you can also explore the crypto.com Visa card. This card connects directly to your account, allowing you to spend your crypto or fiat anywhere Visa is accepted. In addition, every purchase you make earns cashback rewards in CRO tokens, making it a very practical tool for everyday spending. The Market tab provides a much broader view of the entire crypto ecosystem. Here you can see a complete list of all cryptocurrencies available on the platform, along with detailed data such as total market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, and even market sentiment indicators. You can sort by categories such as large cap coins, making it easy to quickly locate Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other leading projects. This is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to track the market or look for new opportunities. Now let's walk through a practical example of buying Bitcoin. From the home screen, tap Trade, then select Buy. Choose Bitcoin from the list, and then decide how you'd like to pay. Debit and credit cards allow for instant purchases, but they usually come with slightly higher fees. Linking your bank account offers lower fees, but transactions may take a few days to settle. For this example, let's say you want to buy $15 worth of Bitcoin using a debit card. Review the details carefully, confirm the purchase, and within seconds, Bitcoin will appear in your crypto wallet. Now let's look at how to transfer crypto into your crypto.com wallet. From the home screen, tap on the transfer button, then select deposit. This will bring up your wallet address for the cryptocurrency you choose. For example, if you're depositing Bitcoin, you'll see your Bitcoin wallet address displayed. Before you copy it, make sure to select the correct network from the drop-down menu, since using the wrong network can cause you to lose your funds. Once you've chosen the right one, you'll see two options. You can either scan the QR code if you're using another device, or simply tap copy to copy the wallet address to your clipboard. You can then paste that address into the withdrawal section of another crypto exchange or wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will show up in your crypto.com account. Now let's go through how to sell crypto inside the app. For this demonstration, let's say we want to sell Bitcoin. Start by opening your Bitcoin wallet and tapping Sell Bitcoin. At this point, you'll have two choices. You can either swap your Bitcoin into another cryptocurrency, or you can sell it directly for cash, which will be deposited into your fiat wallet. If you choose cash, you'll see the option to switch between the Bitcoin amount and the equivalent dollar amount. For example, if you decide to sell everything in the wallet, the app will show you exactly how much you'll receive in US dollars. Once you're ready, tap the Sell button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation window will appear showing the details of your transaction. Keep in mind that while Crypto.com doesn't charge extra fees for this, the value may differ slightly due to small price changes in the market. When you're satisfied, tap Confirm, enter your passcode, and the sale will go through instantly. Afterward, when you return to your account overview, you'll notice your Bitcoin balance has decreased, and your fiat wallet now shows the cash amount from the sale. In our example, a small fraction of Bitcoin remained unsold due to rounding, but the bulk of the funds were converted into $14.69 in US dollars. That's how you can deposit Bitcoin into your Crypto.com account and then sell it either for another crypto or directly into fiat currency. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always make sure the address is correct. Another helpful tool is the price alert feature. If you're waiting for a coin to reach a certain level, go to the Markets tab, tap the bell icon, and set your desired price. You'll get a notification when the coin hits your target, so you can act quickly without having to constantly monitor the charts. By now, you've learned how to set up your account, verify your identity, deposit funds, place trades, explore markets, withdraw crypto, and use additional features like the syndicate, supercharger, and price alerts. The Crypto.com exchange is designed to be beginner-friendly, while still offering advanced tools for when you're ready to level up your trading skills.